In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design running infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color. Go to insert and take a rectangle. Draw a rectangle like this. I'm going to give shape outline, make it no outline, give it some gradient fill, gray, little bit dark, and little bit light gray. Yes, I'm going to take a rounded rectangle and make it fully rounded. Okay, shape outline, no outline, give it white fill and place it at the center of the road. Control D to duplicate it and place it in a row, in one row, one by one. Control D, Control D. Okay, select all these things, all these shapes one by one by holding shift, and select this road also. Control G to group it. Take this curve free format shape and draw it likewise that I am going to draw it. Select one and with the holding control and select twice. Here select also with the holding by holding control and by holding control select here. Make it align according to the slide. Send to back. Okay, I'm going to align it with the slide and send it to back. Shape outline, make it no outline. I'm going to give it some like this color and will change the color in a gradient. Okay, I'm going to change the color in a gradient, gray, dark gray, and next to light gray, light green, sorry, and light green. I'm going to make it a little bit light that the gradient become very visible. Okay, okay, shape rounded rectangle, take this one, make it fully rounded. I'm going to shape outline, make it no outline, give it some different dark color. Shape fill with a dark one. Yes, this one is okay. I'm going to give it some shadow effects. Okay, transparency will be 80. Okay, 103 and blur is 6. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. I'm going to make it perfect. Give it some gradient color, this one, yes, and a little bit light color from left to right. Okay, I need only 3 stops gradient, yes, and again this one. Shape outline, I'm going to give it some white outline. Go to insert, all shape, drag by holding shift alt, and I'm going to fix it with this shape. zoom it and fix a line that it is perfect from all sides. I'm going to give it some gradient color from top to down, and the top will be gray color and the down will be white color. Also give it the line gradient. The line gradient will be inverse to the fill gradient, gray color, and this will I'm going to give it gray color. The outline width will become 2 whole 1/4. It's okay. I'm going to look at how it's look like. Yes, I'm going to make it align perfectly. I have some written text that I type earlier to save the time, and select this and this figure also to bring the slide by Control C and Control V. Yes, this is 100% PPT running figure. You can change the color of the shoes, the color of any their hair's color, their skin color. You can change it. I'm going to place the text over these shapes, and the shape I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. It need more bigger by in horizontal. Okay, give it white color. Yes, you can change its color. It is 100%. Look at this. You can change the color, the skin color, the hair color. It is 100% PPT file. I'm going to show you how it's look like when you give it some shadow effect, some shady effects. It will become very perfect. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and place under the shape, and Control D. How many shapes you need, you can create according to requirement by holding Control D to duplicate it. I'm going to make it fix it perfectly. Okay, I'm going to icon tab. Here I need some icon for this slide. City building. Okay, this one. Fire. This one, calories. For I'm using fire for losing calories. And heart. Yes, this one. Breathe. This lungs icon. And I'm going to tree. I need some trees picture. Okay, some flowers picture also needed. Apple also for health, and need boots, shoes for running shoes. I think it's okay. And also need a water bottle, this one, and bring it to the slide by clicking insert, by holding Shift Alt, and make it smaller. Now I'm going to place it one by one over the all shape and give it color. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it. You will get beautiful design of infographic postcard. I'm going to design also door hangers, brochures, flyers, bifold brochure, trifold brochure, and I'm giving it some different color, and I'm going to drag these buildings. Okay. I will drop the link of this slide in the description. You can download this file from the description, and I will provide you this file, but please subscribe my channel. I will give you the source file of this slide. I'm going to give it some different color, and dark green color will be okay. I'm going to make it ungroup to convert the shape to the fill shape. Okay, and give it some shadow effect. I think so. This will be okay, and select. I'm going to make the transparency decrease, that the shadow become visible. Also give this figure a shadow effect, and reduce the transparency, that the shadow become visible. I'm going to ungroup it. Oh, sorry. I'm going to make it perfect. Then I will be going to make it ungroup. To convert this icon to the shape fill, I'm giving it some different color. That is a very light color, because these buildings are so far from the view. So give it a light one color, select both, and group it. I'm going to place it here and send to back. These buildings are very far in the view, so give it a very light color, a dump color. Okay, these clouds, and draw these clouds here. Shape fill, shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, white fill. I think white is okay. Little bit gray. Control D to duplicate it and place it here also. that it gives a view, that it gives the view a premium look. Send to back. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.